Hi class, in this video we'll learn about another function that is future value schedule, and this is a very important function because sometimes you might have some multiple years data. So for example you have years and you have returns data that you have earned in that particular year. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, some amount of years are there, and you have earned some random numbers like 12% in a year, 14% another year. One year you had bad losses, then you earned 8%, and then you had another amount of return like 9%. So, what is the overall return? What's your total overall return that you have earned? And let's say my initial principal investment in this particular investment was around 5 lakhs. So I've invested 5 lakh rupees over there. So if it is a value of 5 lakh rupees, so what will that particular value now be? So if I want to calculate future value of my this current investment, which is growing by multiple rates during that particular tenure, so I will apply this future value schedule function, the principal value, comma, the schedule. So this is my schedule here. So I'll just select this particular value and I hit enter, and definitely I can convert that in currency. So when I'll have after 5 years 7,06,433 rupees. So if I just change some values to another number, so they'll definitely adjust accordingly. So if you keep on earning some amount of percentage, you'll get certain amount of returns like that. So this is a useful function when you have multiple years and you want to save your future value by as a compounded value over the duration where the returns were not constant in a given duration. So that's what we use future value schedule for. Thank you.